AI influencers already make thousands and they don't even exist. I will show you how to build a digital model which works 24/7 and never complains. Fanvue. It's scalable, flawless and very easy to use. Let's hop in. So first you can fanvue.com. Here you have an overview about the tool. As you can see, you can generate your own profile of your AI influencer. You can make posts, you can upload media like images or videos. You have good analytics about your profile, how many people watched it, liked it, followed it, and you can also upload private things which are limited to your subscribers. To get started, you become a creator or a fan. In this case, we want to create an AI influencer, so we will become a creator. After your registration with Google, X or your email address, Fanvue automatically creates your profile with a random name and nickname. If you want the other name or nickname, just click on edit, then profile info, and here you can change your name and your handle. You can also add a bio or description. So let's change it to Rex or Rex. And the location should be Germany. Let's save it. We can also upload a profile picture or title picture. So I uploaded two different pictures here. Now we are finished. If we go back now, here we have our uploaded title, image, picture, nickname, name and bio. Very nice. To become an actual creator, we have to verify ourselves. So click on become a creator, click on start earning. We have no referral, continue. To verify yourself, you have to submit your data here. So your country where you live in. Let's choose Canada now. And now we can choose from if our channel is AI created or human created. Click the left if you just use AI created content. In this case, we want that. We click continue. Now we choose our plan for our AI influencer, whether it should be a fitness, gaming or other stuff. Let's choose fitness, continue. It should be a female influencer. We have our profile picture and handle here, our banner and bio. Now we have to set the monthly subscription price for our fans so they can see our uploaded images, videos and can interact with us. Let's choose the default one here, continue. Now we have to verify ourselves. You can do this with a document check or a live check. And if you have done that, you're a full verified creator. Now you need some images for your AI creator. You can use tools like Higgsfield, ChatGPT, or in my case, flexclip.com. Just click on AI text to image, generate AI image now. Here we have the top models available like Seedream, Google, Nano Banana, Kling Image 01. Let's use the Kling image here. We have a prompt of an ultra realistic portrait of a young woman in her early 20s. We want a cinematic one. We want a 1:1 ratio. The resolution should be 2K and we hit generate. We can also upload a reference image like our profile picture. And after some seconds we have the result, and as you can see, astonishing, cinematic, realistic, ready to use for your Fanvue account. Also the next image is just perfect. Character consistency over the images. Very nice. We can also create videos out of the images here. Just click on AI image to video. So here we are at the image to video interface. We have also the top models available like Sora 2, Vue 3.1 or Seedance 2.0. Let's use it. The woman in the picture should smile into the camera. The camera should zoom out on a beach with an ocean. We want a 10-second duration. We can also add audio here. Let's turn it on and we hit generate. And a minute later we have the finished result. Let's look at it. And as you can see, the woman is realistic, the quality is cinematic, the camera control is on point, exactly that what we wanted. Here another video he generated. We can use this video now for our profile on Fanvue. You can upload this to Fanvue for new posts. And as you can see, a full profile like Lopez here. It's one of the most AI iconic creators out there. You have also a verified badge. You can also add discounts for your subscription for your fans. You have a good overview about your blog posts, your video uploaded. Fans can instantly pay here like via Google Pay. At the post you can also set the visibility like a blurry one or just locked. So fans get a little preview about your pictures, about your media you uploaded. Once the fans are fully subscribed, they have access to your posts you uploaded for them. On the media tab, you have a good overview about your latest uploaded medias like photos or videos. There's also a feature pay to view where the fans have to pay for the view. And you can also set up a store on Fanvue. Fans can send you a message here. And there is a big feature in Fanvue. If we go back to the homepage here, we have the AI voice calls feature, as you can see here. He's automatically generating voice calls or voice notes or messages. You can set up your AI creator how they will respond to a specific message. And if they want some specific things from you, you can also reply manually. Very easy to use. And if you want to know how to get even better with AI creators and earn money with that, there is the Fanvue AI Creator Academy here. And this is where Fanvue AI Creator Academy comes in place. It gives you important tips about creating AI influencers, shows you real success stories and case studies, and shows you a step-by-step implementation guide. On the website, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see some examples here. You'll see a ton of YouTubers and creators which already use it, and it gives you a complete step-by-step system from creation to monetization. As you can see here, you select your niche, your face. Creating your model with Picasso gives you a full walkthrough. Creating and scheduling photos with OpenAI. Showing some Instagram marketing strategies, Reddit posts, and so much more. And maybe you're the next AI influencer which making money like Lopez, Michaela, and other AI influencers. As usual, if you liked it, try it. See you in the next one.